Hello, Mr. Rainmaker.
Hello?
Okay, I greet you. So, what are you doing? So, you are answering Rainmaker just for mouth. Eh? Today that I'm celebrating my 20 years anniversary on the industry, and you allow the rain to scatter my plan. What's the meaning of all this nonsense? Eh?
Okay, see, as I dey talk to you now, the kind rain wey hold me where I dey. I no see road.
No see road. Then why are you calling Rainmaker? And I paid you handsomely so that you will point rain today. That is my occasion.
As I'm talking to you now, the rain carry thunder. Even the material wey I buy sef, everything scatter.
Jesus! Hey. Anyway, I don't have enough talk. I will send you my account number. Forward that money I sent to you. That's 100,000. You forward them back.
Oga, I don't use your money buy material. Na thunder na him scatter am.
I don't want peace.
Hey. Now for police station we go end our case.
I want problems always.